Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're moving beyond the textbooks and diving into some essential English idioms that will make you sound like a native speaker. Let's get started. I'm sick and tired, meaning I am very annoyed. Usage. I'm sick and tired of this noise. Bend over backwards, meaning try very hard to help. Usage. I bent over backwards to help him today. Cut it out, meaning stop it. Usage. Cut it out, I am trying to sleep. In/for ages, meaning for a long time. Usage. I haven't seen my friend in ages. Keep your chin up, meaning stay positive. Usage. Keep your chin up, things will get better. I know him/it like the back of my hand, meaning know very well. Usage. I know this city like the back of my hand. Take it easy, meaning relax. Usage. Take it easy, there is no need to rush. It cracked me up, meaning it made me laugh. Usage. His joke cracked me up. Cross your fingers, meaning hope for good luck. Usage. Cross your fingers for my exam. Crying over spilt milk, meaning being sad about the past. Usage. Don't cry over spilt milk, the test is over. Curiosity killed the cat, meaning asking too much is dangerous. Usage. Stop asking secrets, curiosity killed the cat. Don't count your chickens before they hatch, meaning don't celebrate too early. Usage. Wait until you get the job. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. It's finger-lickin' good, meaning very delicious. Usage. This pizza is finger-lickin' good. Get over it, meaning forget it and move on. Usage. You lost the game, get over it. Head over heels, in love, meaning very much in love. Usage. He is head over heels for her. I'll keep an eye on you/it, meaning watch carefully. Usage. Can you keep an eye on my bag? Pick up your ears, meaning listen closely. Usage. Pick up your ears, this rule is important. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush, meaning keep what you have. Usage. Take the small prize now. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. A penny for your thoughts, meaning what are you thinking? Usage. You are very quiet. A penny for your thoughts? A penny saved is a penny earned, meaning saving money is good. Usage. I cook at home because a penny saved is a penny earned. A perfect storm, meaning the worst situation. Usage. No money and no job made a perfect storm. A picture is worth 1,000 words, meaning images show more than words. Usage. Show them the photo. A picture is worth 1,000 words.